Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 61 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is best selling item, and this question got asked in eBay, Best Buy and Amazon. So the question is find the best selling item for each month. No need to separate months by year. The best selling item is determined by the highest total sales amount calculated as total paid is equal to unit price times quantity. Output the month, description of the item, and the total amount paid. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to find out in each month what is the best selling item. Okay. And which item is the best selling item? The item which has made the maximum sale. Okay. That is the best selling item. Okay. So now let's see the table so that we can understand this question better. So we have this table and we have these columns where we have the item details, that is the description of the item, quantity, number of quantity sold, invoice date, and the unit price, what is the base price for one unit, and customer ID and country. So we have these columns, okay? So what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to extract out the month because we have to do it based on the month. So I'm going to write out invoice date here as month. Now let's run this code. So yeah, we are getting month column in the end. If you see, so this is in February, the month is 2, so we are getting 2. This is month is 1, so we are getting 1. So yeah, we are getting this. Now one more thing we have to do. We have to find out for this item, the number of quantities sold is 3 and the unit price is this. So what is the total amount? Okay, sale amount. So for that, what I'm going to do, I am going to use this formula that is given in the question, that this is how we have to find it out. So I'm going to write down unit price. Unit price is the column name times quantity as total paid. Okay, this is the another column. Okay, now let's run this code. So we are getting another column that is total paid. So for this item, the number of quantities sold is 3. This is the unit price. So the total amount made is 8.85. Okay. Now, next thing what we are going to do. So it can happen that this item in the same month might have been sold again. And so we have to find out, like, one item has made how much sale in total. Okay, I hope you're getting my point. Like if this item is coming again somewhere and some amount has been made again, so we have to find out the total amount, right? The total amount, sale amount that item has made, and similarly for other items as well. So for each unique item, we have to find out the total sales amount. Okay, so for that, what we are going to do, and this is going to happen month on month basis, because it can happen that this is Feb month, second month, okay, and this item can appear in March as well, in April as well. So we do not have to like consider total sum, total sales made in total, but we have to do it month wise. Like in February, this item made how much sale. In March, this item made how much sale. Okay, like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to do group by, first based on month and then based on description. Okay, from here I'm going to remove star and let me put description here. Okay, we're getting month, description, and this is going to be, we need to find total sales, right? So I'm going to do sum of this. So now let's run this code. Group by month and description. What is the error? Total paid from online retail. Syntax near sum. Oh, sorry. I forgot to put comma here. Now let's run this. Okay. So we are getting this, that in second month, this item made this much. Okay. in first month, this item made this much. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me order by uh, month and description. Let's run this. So yeah, in first month, this item made this much. In again first month, this item made this much. Let's not do it in description. Let's do it on total paid. Total paid in descending order. Okay, yeah. So in first month, this item made this much. In again first month, this item made this much, and so on. Again in second month, this item made this much, this item made this much, and so on. So what we have done, we have created a partition of month, and in each month, what are the unique items are there, and each item has made how much sale, we are showing those information, right? So what we need to do, now we need to find out in each month what are the items that has been sold that has made maximum sales. Like if you see this item, this has made maximum sale as it is getting the highest price value. Okay, in second month, this item is making maximum sales. In third month, this item is making maximum sales. So we have to take out information of these items. This is what we have to print. Okay, so what we are going to do, let me use common table expression. I'm going to write down with CTE as select star from CTE. Let's run this again. We are going to get the same table. Now I'm going to rank the items based on the amount, total sales made. Okay, so I'm going to use rank function, or let's use dense rank. Dense rank over, we have to do it for each month. Like in each month, which item has made maximum sale. So we are doing what? We are creating a partition based on month. So I'm going to write down partition by month, order by total paid in descending order, right? As RN. Now let's run this. Okay. So yeah. So in first month, this item made this much sale. That is the maximum sale. So it is getting rank 1. This is getting rank 2. This is getting rank 3, and so on. In the second month, again, it is going to start from 1. So this item has made maximum sale. So it is getting 1. This is getting 2. This is getting 3, and so on. So this rank will happen for each month. What is the item in January that has made maximum sales? In February, made maximum sales. In March, made maximum sales, and so on. So now we have to extract out those items. Okay. So still we have given the rank, but still we are not getting those unique items. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another CTE2 as, and here I'm going to write down select month, description, total paid from CTE2, where RN is equal to 1. That is, whatever the item that is making maximum sales, give me those. So this is what we are getting. We are getting month, we are getting description, we are getting total paid in each month. Like in first month, this is the item. In second month, this is the item. In third month, this is the item, and so on. So yeah, this is the query that we have to use to solve this problem, and we have completed it. So now let's see the expected output. So in expected output as well, we are getting the same output, right? Yeah, it is matching. So yeah, our query is completed. Now let's submit it to check whether it is correct or not. So yeah, our query got submitted, so it is correct. So this is how we have solved this problem. First of all, what we did, we extracted out the month value from the date value column. Then we calculated like how much sale is being made by each item using this formula. Then we group on month and description so that we can get in each month how much one item is making. Okay. And then what we did, we ranked those items based on the amount of sale it has done. And then we extracted out those items that has made maximum sales, where the rank was 1. So this is the approach that we took to solve this problem. Hope you understood it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like the video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.